Changing your password on Skyscanner is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a profile or menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select password change option. In the account settings menu, look for the option to change your password. This may be labeled as change password or security settings. Step 4. Enter current and new passwords. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified criteria for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.